I have my aunt's tractor here at my house, and I figure I would take care of some of these ruts and bumps and dirt piles. No, they're not. Excavator reach right in and lift it right out.
Well, I'll bring the excavator up sometime.
Yeah, it's gonna need to be up here anyways to finish some stuff. All right. This is one of the smaller ones. There's a bigger one there. This is like that big. No, don't ruin my dirt. You're going too low. Try to just back up, back up, back up. Try to just push it over and then right at the edge of the root ball. Yeah, keep pushing that way. Okay, well, come at it from this direction. It is kind of steep. You know, I'm trying to put a micro hydro thing here. So, of course. Strong little bugger. Just leave it. We'll get it with the excavator. That and 10 others. Tree. Tree. Is that another tree? There's so many trees, huh?
Yeah. There's a wood frame here. You want to just pull it back a little bit?
Oh, yeah.
All those trees in the way.
Yeah, they are. They come out of nowhere. It'd be really cool if this rake was able to float in this direction too. Right now it only floats up and down. So if you get a little bit of off-kilter ground, then it'll dig in one side or the other. No bueno. Well, here's the end result for a few hours work. Parents come up, they visit the baby, cook dinner, bring my aunt's tractor, we service it, we use it. And this is a lot more vehicle friendly. The only thing I really want to do here is, as you can tell, but right in this area here, it's a little bit low. So I'm going to fill in more dirt here using my dirt pile back there and kind of slope it away from the house too, so that the water isn't running towards the house. I still have to put in a proper drainage ditch down here, French drain. And we also took care of, man, there's so many big rocks. We also took care of a pile of leftover siding, and that's for our business and the lower portion of this building here. So if I ever need to do anything, I have some siding. And I had an old jet ski here that we're going to cut up and dispose of. A few nights ago, in the middle of the night, you know, you heard a loud crash and you sort of maybe remember hearing it, but you don't. Well, there was a massive stick that fell down from way up there onto my pile of siding, making the loudest bang. And you know, it's one of those things that you faintly remember in the middle of the night happening and you're not sure if it happened or not. It did happen. We took that tree up there. I'm gonna still cut it up. A lot of that's like firewood size and the rest of it's just gonna burn. I have other videos of me using the tractor. This is my aunt's tractor. It's a Kubota L3901. It's a 39 horsepower, 4-wheel drive, hydrostatic tractor. And it works great for this sort of thing. Yeah, very pleased with it. I do have other videos, at least 2 other videos of me using that tractor. I'm going to put them up here somewhere. So if you want to go watch them, one's brush hog and the other one's using a landscape rake, but in a pasture. So yeah, I should have more of these type of videos following up shortly because I have more dirt work to do here. I'll see you around.